I couldn't find the right paper towel holder for my kitchen, so I built my own out of Lego. But does it work? Yes, it actually does. Let me show you how to build it step by step. You will need a 16 by 16 base plate. For the base, you can create a simple mosaic like this. I use mix of colors to give it a nice pattern, but you can design it however you like. On to the next part, building the stick that holds the roll. I kept it simple by stacking bricks. And here it is, complete. One more click and it's ready to be used. What do you think? Leave your thoughts in comments. It looks lovely in my kitchen. And it's way more fun than the wooden thing. I will be back soon with something new.